recording in progress. I echoed it.
Yes. Okay, so we don't have any grammar today. That's the good news.
What a clap!
Okay. And then we did Roman numeral 2 and 3 so far on the poisonous animals. And now we're setting up a new white page. So hopefully you guys have an extra one in the back of your binder. If not, you can use a regular printer paper at home. If you guys don't have any of the big ones. But we're setting up Roman numeral 4. Did I mess up? No, that looks right. And this is Roman numeral 4, 1 through 5. So go ahead and set that up. If you need to pause the video, you can for that. Okay, so now go to the very first, it's actually Roman numeral 2 of your outlines on here, where you have possible topics listed. Remember where you guys have that little box? It should be this box. You should have possible topics listed right there.
Yep.
And we already wrote about a lot of those things. So cross out the things you already wrote about. I think you wrote about the puffer, fish,
Puffer fish, hawk,
right?
turtle, barracuda.
Cross out the ones you already did.
Sperling.
What do we have left?
Polar bear and golden.
Polar bears and golden poison frog.
Good stuff.
Is that it? That's left? Those two?
That's it, really. Well.
So those two are totally different animals, right? They're not mammals, they're not, birds, they're, well, not a polar bear though. That would be a mammal and an amphibian, that's true. So here's what you guys are gonna do. You're gonna pick which one you wanna do your last paragraph.
Golden poison frog.
Golden poison frog or polar bear. Those are your last two choices, right?
Polar bear.
There's only information on C.
Yes, this is why we have our computers here today.
Oh.
I'm gonna have you look up some information.
Yes.
So hold on. How many of you are picking polar bears? Okay, you. How many of you are picking the poison frog? Okay, there's 3 of you. So now next to your Roman numeral, go ahead and put the animal you picked. So for Ainsley, it'll be polar bear, polar bear, polar bear, polar bear. Everybody else, you could put.
GPF.
Yeah, you could put
GPF.
GPF.
Yeah, GPF.
Except for on your fuse, you should spell it out.
Yeah.
Golden poison frog. Okay.
Yeah.
And I am going to do this on the computer at the same time as you guys. So after you fill those in,
Okay.
pull it up here. You're going to go to, oh, and by the way, the polar bear is in articles A and C. So you can decide, let's see. You're only going to need one article to look at online. So that makes it a little bit easier for you. So if you're doing the golden poison frog, it's only in C. Right?
Oh.
You only have C as an option of finding information from your binder. Did you bring your binder today?
Yep.
Oh, okay, cool. So let's put, for if you're writing the 3 of you, put in parentheses binder right here.
Me too.
No, not yours. For you, you're going to put binder next to A and B.
On C for us.
On C for the poison frog one.
Oh yeah, I forgot to put A, B, and C. So bad. Wait. Why did you have to
So
put
you're
binder there?
doing binder only here because article C is from your binder. That one you'll use for the information on this box. Does that make sense?
No.
Okay, so your article C, go to your binder in your front pocket, look for article C. Go ahead and do that now. Just so you have it ready, and you're gonna get out A and B.
Article C. Oh no, that one happened before.
Yeah, about poisonous animals.
There we go.
Got it? And you can leave it in there if that's easier, or just take it
Okay.
out.
C.
C.
That says don't eat that. Yeah, don't.
Yeah, and you're gonna look for the paragraph that you circled. Oh, it actually is 2 pages long, by the way, so you're gonna need also the second page of the article. This stops at 168. See how it's continuing? So make sure you get out the second page.
There, see what it's for. This is on here. Well, there's a polar bear and a tortoise.
That one, I
Here,
think. It should be page 169.
163.
Oh,
169.
where did it go?
Like, when do we get for energy?
Uh-oh, did you lose it?
No.
What are you looking
Why
for?
would I lose it?
That's gotta be it.
It has to be this. It is 169. Yay!
You should have on here circled golden poison frog. See how we circled the topics for each of those
I
paragraphs?
think I missed it on the
I have it.
on the
On the
video.
recording?
I probably. I wouldn't be surprised.
So circle golden poison frog. That's the paragraph you're gonna use from your binder for C. Now for you, Ainsley, you're gonna use your binder papers for A. You're gonna look for polar bears right there, that paragraph. And then B. I'll be on the back of that one.
You said C.
Oh, did I say C?
You said C.
Wait, hold on. Oh, sorry, my bad. You're right, that's B and it should be C. Polar bears in A and C.
What's your guys' Wi-Fi?
It's right here. So when do you guys know how to log into a new Wi-Fi? Okay, so open up your computers. I'll show you how to do that. Go to Google. Oh yeah, how did you find that? On the little
Yeah.
button there? It's
What
called
is
Little
Google?
House 2G.
It's-
Let me show you, Juliana.
Little House.
Help me.
I'm coming.
It's not
That's
here.
the password?
Is it only A? 'Cause-
Hold on.
What?
Oh, you know what?
A.
Oh, here it is.
Oh,
You forgot to
that's
circle it.
different.
Right here, you see where that little triangle shaped thing, that's the Wi-Fi? If you click on that, and then you're gonna select.
Wait, I connected to the Wi-Fi.
Tilt it up so I can see it. Go ahead and click that top one.
This one?
Yeah,
Not connected to.
yeah.
not Connected, okay. Wi-Fi.
And then you're gonna look for Little House 2G.
Oh, I got it right here. Little house.
Okay.
I got
And
it.
then don't put PW. That just stands for password. So the password starts with, and it has to be a capital Y.
Yep.
Capital Y, lowercase
I
a.
connected.
Copy that exactly like that.
Okay.
Okay, good. And then you're gonna go to Google.
Okay. Is my mouse paint? Hold on, it's too.
My mouse.
Uh-oh.
Little House 2G.
Yep.
Okay, I'm connected.
Okay, good.
Wait. Come on, it's not connecting. Oh wait, it connected.
Okay, good.
Yay.
Everybody's connected?
Yes.
Go to Google,
Yep, I'm on Google.
okay? In the search bar,
Wait,
if you're writing about,
Where? Where's Google? Okay. Sorry, I'm not really good at this
you're
stuff.
okay. Just relax. Don't panic. Don't panic.
Golden poison.
Are you guys in Google right now?
Yeah.
So you're gonna be the only one that does polar bear for kids. Oh, actually, sorry. I forgot the word facts. Facts. So you should write polar bear facts for kids. You're gonna write golden poison frog facts for kids.
I'm so bad at typing, I have to use my.
You have to put all that in the search bar and then hit enter, and then I'll tell you what to do next.
4 kids. Okay, I'm done.
Got it?
Oh, look at the
And you
baby.
put 4 kids on
Aw.
yours. Frog facts. Make sure you put
Wow.
facts and then 4 kids.
Here we go.
Cookies.
Okay.
Okay, so you should see some different websites. If you scroll down, we're gonna ignore AI because we don't really need that. Keep scrolling down.
Geographic.
I'm on it.
Facts for kids.
National Geographic, yeah, facts for kids. So there's some choices there for you.
This one?
You're gonna pick two different ones.
This one?
Now, I'll help you pick which one is gonna be a good one. Yep, National
okay,
Geographic
I'll
for
do this.
kids, that's a good one.
How about this one?
Hold on, let me look at yours again, Juliana. For some reason, yeah, that one will work. You can
Ribbit,
use
ribbit.
that.
Ribbit. How do I use? Do I? press
Okay,
it?
so what you're gonna do for these is you're gonna use whatever information you find from that website. You can talk about their habitat or their physical characteristics or
Colors.
their poison. That would be a good section to read. And you're gonna look for facts for one of your other two outlines. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So you're gonna use two different articles.
So do I start doing?
You
it?
can do A, yep, so read that, and if you need to zoom in, cause I know it's so tiny.
Where do I
Oh, there
go?
you go. So scroll down, and then I'll come back to you, Zulie, in a second. Is it the poison? No, not the poison dart frog. Poison.
When you were on dart, I was literally reading the
Golden-
word dart.
Oh.
Golden poison frog.
So
I
you just
put
start
golden.
writing.
Okay, so
Golden
maybe
poison
pick a
frog.
different one than that, cause that's the dart frog.
Do we start writing? our
This
This
one's
is
not
the-
good. This one's not good.
It's
I want
not?
a different one. Yeah.
All of them say dark frog,
Hold on.
except for this one,
Look,
which is Kids
Web
Encyclopedia
images,
Facts.
You can look at that one, Kids Encyclopedia Facts is a good.
Kittle?
website.
This is golden poison frog.
Kittle.
Yeah, say just poison dark frog.
I don't know
Maybe
if they're the
it's the
same
back.
thing. Wait, let's see what it says right there.
What did she say to do?
The golden
Golden
poison
poison
dart frog.
frog facts.
It is the same thing.
I'm so bad at
I guess
typing.
so.
Okay,
Do I
so
start?
you can, so what you're gonna do is decide what part of the frog you're gonna
There it
write
is.
about for that section. Are you gonna write about? I think you should look for the poison section of the
This is a-
website.
This is the one that.
So this is kind of cool. It gives you a table of contents. You can actually click poison. I think, try that.
Do I start?
Yeah, there you go. And this is all talking about, yep, and you look.
This
for-
is not working.
Hold
Like
on,
it's not.
look for facts that you wanna put down for A. And that one's gonna come from National Geographic. And you only need 3, but if you see 4 and 5, you can add those 2. They are using the one you were on, they said it was good. So go scroll down again.
That
That,
one?
yeah,
But
This National Geographic.
yeah. There's National Ge, and you can use that for B. Scroll up. And click on poison. It's the first word in that list. There, that's where you were earlier, I'm pretty sure.
I just gotta zoom in because it's like I'm absolutely blind.
That's all right.
Like that.
Yep. And now you're gonna look for just 3 facts, really, unless you wanna do 4 and 5, those are optional too. Okay, for yours. Do a section that talks about.
But then it starts talking about poison. Wait, dart frogs. Like after this, it starts talking about poison dart frogs.
Yeah, that's okay. We learned that they basically are the same thing. So that's okay. Let's see what paragraph would be good for you.
Keep the baby in.
Oh.
Aww.
Talk about poison.
I'm doing polar bears.
Yeah, and they're part of that.
Their livers are poisonous.
Oh, if you eat their
Oh.
liver.
There's too much vitamin
Yeah, and you already wrote about that, or did you?
A. No,
That's probably from.
I already read it, so I didn't write it.
Okay, so since you have those facts from your binder, go ahead and you can pick anything from this website. You can kind
Yay.
of scroll through
Look,
and
it's
pick anything for,
Like a skull.
yeah, there you go. You drew an arrow. I got that. So you're gonna put it here.
skull. A
At
skull.
least 3 facts,
It's fine.
4 or 5.
What? What?
What
No,
did you
it's
say?
like no, like on this like.
What is it?
What is a picture for poison? Well, yeah, skull. A skull.
Oh, a skull,
Yeah. I'm
yeah.
thinking like a skull is poisonous. I'm like,
Skull and crossbones.
Yeah.
Kind of.
I have no clue how to draw a skull.
That's all right. Oh, that looks pretty good, actually.
That's good enough. I don't care.
That's good. No, it looks like a skull to me.
You know, like when we just put like GPS on top, what else do we put there? Do we like?
On the top three, you don't have to put anything else. It's just telling you that's what you're gonna be looking for. That's the information you're looking for. But here, you're gonna actually write it out for your fused. Okay. So, for those watching the video, you're gonna type in your Google bar, just like I said there, golden poison frog facts for kids or polar bear facts for kids. And they're using the Encyclopedia Kids website, but there's also National Geographic. And if you're doing this at home, you want to ask your parent first before you go to Google, make sure they're okay with you searching on Google. And they're basically working on their outline right now. So I'm just going to pause this for a minute until we move on to the next thing. So look for facts that go with poison for the golden poison frog, and then for the polar bear, because you have 2 articles in your binder, then you'll use those 2 articles for the poison facts. Yeah, that's perfect. I do want you to write this paragraph and the conclusion, just 2 paragraphs. So in your binders, I want you to get this out really quick. You can finish your thought if you're in the middle of typing something. In your binders, it's page 171. It should be in your front pocket. 171.
Get it? Is it conclusion, right? Conclusion.
Yes, it's the conclusion.
And it has the introduction on the back too.
And it has the introduction on the back, but we're gonna save the introduction for next week.
Okay.
So I want you to write this paragraph, which is paragraph 4, technically, it's your 3rd body paragraph, right? This is your 3rd body paragraph and the conclusion. So those 2. Now, let's talk about the different topics here for your conclusion. You've done these before, so
But it's still very nervy.
your topic A was from your Roman numeral 2, which was puffer fish. You wrote about 3 different animals.
What pages did we get out? I was in the middle of a sentence
Okay.
and I just
Page from your binder 171 from your front pocket. Yep, it should be in there. Looks like this. It's the introduction and conclusion. This one.
How do you do percents like the
You'll actually write it out percent, which is PER. You spell it out.
Wait, page what?
171.
Well,
Okay.
Topic A, and let me write this down. I'm just gonna make a little. Hopefully you guys don't have to
Just
leave right away.
151?
171. You know where it says at the bottom of that, it says topic A, and then it says topic
Yeah.
B
Topic C.
and topic C. Just the conclusion, yeah.
Do we put this right next to it?
No, you're gonna write it on your paper. Obviously, I have to put it here.
Well,
You're gonna,
no, but like, in this one.
you don't need to write anything in that box. You're gonna write it. See, we're on your paper, page 171, where it says topic A.
Yeah.
Topic B, so topic A, you guys wrote about the pufferfish. And I was looking at yours, hawksbill, sea turtle, and the barracuda, and those were all fish or sea creatures that were poisonous, right? So next to this, I'm gonna have you put poisonous. This is on your paper. Yep,
Okay.
poisonous sea creatures.
Oh yeah, that was the first one.
That was your first one. So you're gonna make a sentence that uses those words right here. This is where you're putting it. On page 171. You guys got it?
Yes.
Your topic B was birds. Poisonous birds, right? Or let's say, what's another word for poisonous?
Toxic.
Thank you. Toxic. Toxic birds.
Do we write this too?
Yep, on next to your B, and you have space for one more word here, so you can think about that later.
Toxic. Birds kill.
And then your topic C is either polar bears or the golden poison frog. So you're gonna put for Ainsley, she's gonna put polar bears. And then you guys are gonna put golden poison frog.
Good.
Now, when we list these, you're gonna actually think of a sentence for those, right? These are just, we're using this as an outline here. And then do you see underneath that where it says most significant?
Yeah.
You have to decide, are you gonna pick one of those animals you talked about that's most significant? Or are you gonna talk about poisonous animals in general? But what is the thing that you want people to remember after they read your paper?
Poison dart frog.
The poison dart frog. How about you? The polar bear. Do you know yet, or you want to think about it?
I don't know.
So something that stood out to you from all three of those body paragraphs, what you thought was the most important thing. Okay, and why? You see how you have these both right here. So next to where it says most significant,
The most significant thing.
there's two ways you could say it. You can say, whoops, T, the most significant thing, or you can say most significantly, comma, blank. And if you say that, you've got your ly adverb already. Does that make sense in that paragraph?
I didn't
The most
significantly.
significant thing.
Most, or the most significant thing, you can say it that way too. Most significantly, it's significant, same, with an ly. Most significantly, blank.
Do I make topics either?
Like yours could be most significantly, polar bears are blah, 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 blah.
Can
Whatever
I
you
just
say
like,
about that.
Get it.
can I put like the most significant thing is the golden poison dart frog is the most poisonous frog in the world.
Yes, or you could say the most significant fact
Is one job of
about
venom.
poisonous animals is that the golden poison frog is,
Most poisonous frog.
has too many poisons, huh? You would have to kind of change it up with like
Yeah, I'm
toxic.
trying to figure that.
One drop.
You have to
of
use something
poison-
else.
One drop of the poison can kill 20,000 mice or 10 people.
This is significant because blank.
Can we write it right now?
Mhm.
Like, what do I?
You can put blanks here, most significant, so what do you think about, hold on just a second, about all the animals that you've written about, which was the hawksbill, sea
Which one do I like
turtle,
the most?
or which one do you think is the most important one to remember?
Oh, the poison frog. definitely.
Okay, so most significantly, the most dangerous, you could say dangerous instead of poisonous, you could say the most dangerous animal is the golden poison frog. Just write that sentence out. Does that make sense?
I think I'm gonna put the most
What's your question?
significant fact is the golden dart frog.
Okay, hold on, Julie. What was your question?
What do I put on top?
You're writing about the golden poison frog, so you're just gonna put golden poison frog there. It's time for you guys to go, so I don't know if you're in a hurry or not, but
I guess how.
yeah. Just use this to write your paragraph and the checklist. What was your question, Julie?
How do you spell dangerous?
DANG.
EROUS.
Yes, see?
I was gonna say
Yes. Okay, make sure you keep all this together in your front pocket.
Is
So
this-
you're doing two paragraphs. You're doing your third body paragraph about the poison frog or the polar bear and the conclusion.
Is this a good sentence? The most significant fact is the golden dart frog is the most dangerous frog in the world.
Yes, perfect.
Wait, what do I? So I put.
You could, instead of saying frog twice, you could say amphibian.
Oh yeah, maybe.
That would be cool.
I put most significantly the.
Most of
The
Poison, the
poison-
most dangerous,
Uh,
right? Is that what we decided? Wait, hold on.
I thought it was the. I thought it was
The poison dart frog is the most dangerous amphibian in the world.
the poison
The poison dart frog, right?
dart. I thought it
Oh, I mean the golden poison frog.
Yeah.
All
was
right, you guys got it. You're writing your third body paragraph plus the conclusion. Make sure you use your checklist and I'll see you next week.
Okay.